I used to work in television. So Najeeb, is this one of your kind of monthly things? Do you do weekly events that you do down here in the centre?
This Health and Happiness for All is community-based voluntary organization, and we are here to promote non-clinical interventions. It's like healthy lifestyle, like active, positive, healthy lifestyle, and we are going to emphasize on healthy eating, healthy living, because every third and fourth persons they might be suffering from lot of psychological problems like anxiety, depression, stress, but there is no such type of relaxation, such type of interventions. So our main emphasis, our main aim is to promote their well-being, to promote preventions. So these kind of activities, like today we have its health festival.
Yeah.
It's like a open health awareness day, because we are going to engage the community in different healthy practicing lifestyle, like creativity, like art, so that the community should involve in these healthy activities. And we have different non-clinical interventions like stress-free club, like walking and talking club, like we have emotional sport club, and like recently we have started its community kitchen in order to promote healthy eating. We are going to promote vegetarian food instead of, because chickens, meat, it might cause different hypertension, a lot of different problems, medical conditions. So our main emphasis is to promote healthy eating, and so we offer the volunteers, the community, to come and join our community kitchens, so that they might be able to know about how to make healthy eating, healthy food. So their involvement, we offer the various community to come and join during the cooking. So then they are serving. This is our weekly programs in order to promote healthy eating. So these kind of activities, I think in the future it would be much more better, because I'm doing all these things. It's totally on non-clinical interventions. So this kind of, hopefully we will start it. Right now we have fortnightly programs like this open event. We offer the community to come and join our. Then later on we will do it on weekly basis. Our main emphasis is to involve the community, so that they would be able to know what is healthy lifestyle, what is health. Everybody know health is what. But when you involve them, what is health and what is happiness? Are you healthy? Are you happy? If somebody asks me, are you healthy? If I'm healthy and not happy, it means there is something. It's emotional and your physical well-being, because the four dimensions of health are important. Your physical health, emotional and spiritual health, social health, as well as your spiritual health. What is spiritual health? It's beyond your any religious belief. It's not at all. If someone is religious and someone is not, the religious belief, we're not doing something religious. It's not political. It's totally on community-based. Spiritual health is your meditations, your relaxation therapy. This is your spiritual health. When you are spiritually well-being, talking about well-being, it means you are perfectly all right. You are having good spiritual health with good spirits. That's why we're going to promote meditations. We're going to promote relaxation therapies. that it's going to reduce your negative emotions, and that's why at the same time it's going to increase your positive emotions. That's why we are here, because we are all the time talking about tomorrow. Tomorrow will never come, as we know. Life is about right now, and how we can mold our energy from negative thoughts towards positive thoughts. We're going to build this positive building. These are our emotional support activities.
Okay, so you're working within the community, and do you find here in London, because everybody's busy, how do you, I know you've been working with some various organisations within the kind of this kind of area, Waltham Forest area, to get women or even men to come out of their homes, to come out of the place where they hide away as such, to come to the centres. So how are you promoting that? What kind of events have you got going on that you promote into the local area? What have you got coming up in the next kind of 6 months or 3 months?
So we are, because we involve our MP and our councillor Masood Ahmed and Stella Creasy. They are going to promote these events. We are giving, because our health and happiness is on CVD board.
Fantastic.
It's cardiovascular disease board. In various NHS, we are working with NHS right now. It's a heart of the community project, because the basic idea is to involve the community. We have different, then we ask them to come and join, like this is open, it's outdoor activities, it's open activities. People, we are distributing leaflets, we are distributing these informations about the healthy, and we encourage them to come inside and join our team, because there is always lot of people, they are shy, they have lack of confidence, they are even confused about talking about their problem, because we have different kind of psychological problems, everyone. Then we encourage them to just come and discuss, and we offer them, we are trying to convey the message in their own languages.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So what's really I love about the organisation, it's a long clinical intervention, but what I love as well, because at some of the centres you do like blood pressure checks and just kind of minor health checks, because you're not medical professionals, you're not advocating being as such, but it's a halfway house where people can feel comfortable, am I right? That they can feel comfortable, talk about their problems, and if you think there's something that is serious or medical, is this a place where you do refer them back to their GPs, or maybe kind of to the hospital or somewhere where they can go, that they can get that help as well? Is that something you do?
Yeah, basically this is, as I told you earlier, this is totally non-clinical interventions, because we are not dealing with the medicines. We are here to promote social prescribing. We are here to promote preventions. We are here to promote their well-being. So that's why if someone, because we do blood pressure check and we do different weight management, if there is problem, then we straight away, we don't give some medical advice. We just refer them to their GP.
So they're getting the best of both worlds. They're not just they're being supported in every aspect of their life. So if they do need that medical kind of support, that's there as well for them as well from the centre. So it's a brilliant centre, and I think, it's a need in all communities as such. We need this kind of thing. I think, we were talking about it together, weren't we? We were saying, this is a new way of thinking. And I said, no, it's the old way. It's an ancient way of thinking. Yeah. When we did use different herbs and good healthy eating, there weren't cars, and we did much more exercise, and we were out and about as a community, much more working together. Mm-hmm. And things have got, especially the way our children interact today, we have Facebook and social networking, and it's the figures show that in the 1960s and into the 60s, 70s, 90% of our children played on the street, and now it's 6% of our children actually play on the street, which shows the way that communities have come apart. And this is a place where you can come together, and that's what we're looking at really here more than anything, is coming together as a community, talking about problems that everybody faces. I think people sometimes think they're the only one, but they affect many, many people within the community. So they can come together in a forum, a safe place, to get the kind of support that they need together, and it's working together to make the change. I think that the Health and Happiness is really promoting, and that's a fantastic thing to do. So it was really nice to meet you, and take care. I'll hopefully see you again soon.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very good. Very good. Very good.